Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for unbiased product reviews. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best 5x8 index card available on the market. These 5x8 index cards are designed to be versatile and essential for any office or personal organization needs. They come in a pack of 100, offering ample space for notes, ideas, or even creative projects. Size and quantity. Each card measures 5 by 8 inches, providing a generous writing space without being too bulky. Quality. Made from durable paper, these cards ensure a smooth writing experience and easy readability. Packaging. They come neatly packed in a convenient box, making them easy to store and access whenever needed. In conclusion, if you're looking for reliable 5x8 index cards that combine quality, functionality, and affordability, look no further. These cards are a solid choice for professionals, students, or anyone needing reliable stationery. Click the link in the description below to get your pack of 5x8 index cards today. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and product insights. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more reviews on the best products to enhance your daily life. Remember, at Product Critique, we review so you can decide.